everybody. Boaters of Dana Point Harbor, welcome and thank you for being here. We're here to celebrate that. We're here to celebrate you. We're excited. We're going to share some cool stuff. And I'm going to turn this over to Joe Uberoth, who's going to tell you some cool stuff.
I'd like to give a shout out to the Bellingham team. Our guys are here every single day trying to build the best marina in California. But one of the things I really wanted to do is really thank the boaters. You guys are the first movers. You got to deal with all the learning curves that we have. But one of the things we wanted to do today is unveil a concept that is truly Dana Point. It's going to tie the land side into the water side. So every dock is going to be named after a lantern. And we're going to unveil that tonight and show you. And we have 42, but we're going to turn all your lanterns to your color.